Hi guys, just wanted to show you what my desk looks like after a creative blizzard. Well, it's not too much of a blizzard, but it's pretty cold here at the moment. And I'm out in my craft room, which is pretty cold. I should have a heater on. But you might be able to see what I've been working on right there. And there's a sneak peek of a card down there. So if you want to see that card, keep an eye out on my blog and my Facebook page, Kim Heath Creates, and hopefully you'll get to see this card very soon. Okay, take care everyone. Bye.